Chuki got the sound switch.
I must see this indeed there, watch it now. Bombard. Beryl. Chop chop. Oh, that road come like it is black. Oh, wait, Stacy there. Hello, you don't see like that. Where are you? So wait, like that here, man. Then if not like that, then they won't like for them, yeah. Which roof? Which roof? I think. Yes, a black. Mirrored. May I look here and turn back. The whole of Yasa black up. Blood, nah. Oh. Road. Completely impossible. Darren stubborn corner bar. Never see so down as a stairs are black now. I don't my bike. What? Muna? Muna? You're supposed to flood out up here, so? Eh? You're supposed to flood out. Watch out now. Watch out now. Alright, you understand? Eh? Alright guys, so this is a little tour of how my community is like. I'm not gonna really go too far because I don't want the video here to be too long. But you can see some lines on the ground. Look like telephone lines. You know. A lot of leaves, a lot of stuff. The road that is down there, which is the main road, is completely impassable. So we have to be taking this road, which is the alternate route. Oh, you can't see what's going up there, so. Think I stop him, but you know, fan me down, dog. Yeah, I put out your hands, so. Go back that way and see how far black up there so is. About having that. So this is the Montogle main road basically. As you can see, a lot of leaves, a lot of debris on the road as usual. Shit, forgot to have a cutlass in my back. Yeah, I travel with a cutlass in it, you know me? And if the road block or anything, can clear it. Trees fall down or something and thing. Oh, stop come off. Yeah, as me that say, any stop will come off, it probably never did build good or hey boy. You see me? Ooh. And my big dirty shoes. Why you chat it out? Yeah man, bicycle and bike man have it nice, you know. Lots and lots of debris on the road. All of this is expected after the storm, you know. And for those who say we not get no storm, imagine if we did actually get it full force. Little breakaway right there, so. be a mud, be a dirt wash come down here, so. Shop open and every gas station open. Go down that side. So this is Temple Hall. Whoa, look on the river. Hey, anybody will take charge for going near river right now, you know, man. You don't like on the life, you know. Yeah, man, you can't like on the life, I blow. Whoa, power line down. Damn, we not get back no light right now. What's it? Holy shit. Top temple all up there past the factory. It's a mad boy, yeah. Out there, so it's a hot spot for tree and them things. There's one tree lay down on the power line. No, we not get back no light for now. Not get back no light for now. As long as tree they down on the power line and them things there. Not get back no light for now. Just wish everybody drives carefully during this time, you know. Another blockade there. A lot of bamboo trees down. All of them things there. And them are hang over. Yeah, debris up here, so. That's why it's a riverbed basically, you know. This is Temple Hall. We call this Temple Hall Street or Clubhouse Street. Out here so look quite alright. Woo! Look come up, man, cause cruise me a cruise. Cruise and bruise, you know? Taxi I run actually. Taxi I run people. I go as far as Stony Hill and then turn back. I'm just a stay on the main. Really I go off the main. People out, you know? Time for everybody enjoy, everybody company. No light. Phones are going dead, our phones are dead. All them things there, you know. Human just enjoying human. Round here so now is a hot spot for a landslide. Hot spot for landslides. Up here so usually flood, but since they clear the drain them and all of them thing there, everything improve. At this point, everybody just have to do their part in their own community to clear the debris and all of them thing there, see me? Woo! Yeah, As me I say, everybody just have to do their own part to just clear them community. Lot of trees down over there. River over there, so. So that the terrible over there, so. Just some sad news. So far, the death toll since the hurricane passed, or since the hurricane is two. One is a, I don't know if it's an elderly person or a person up in age. Basically, I heard that a tree came down on their house. So condolence to the family and friends of that person. I think that person is in Hanover, but they're on the west side, and the other one is a young person, 26-year-old. You know, quite frankly dumb, if you ask me, because they said that he was playing football and the ball went over a gully. So shops are open, hardwares are open. So the ball basically went over a gully. Gas station open. The ball basically went over the gully. He went for the ball and never returned. People wanna have to be oh boy, wanna have to be safe with on life at these times. Ooh. Safeguard on life. Pull down right or so. I don't know why me I ride underneath it. So you see all these poles that are down, they affect me, as in electricity wise. So the further back poles are down, is the longer it's gonna take for me to get back light, and today is just Thursday. Today is just Thursday, so you can imagine. My mother said we not get back light till like next week. But me have little confidence that hopefully we can get back light by weekend. Maybe me have too much confidence, we don't know. Auto shop open. One thing, you know, the people them who have business, them are capitalize, especially certain businesses, hardware, gas station, auto shop, convenience stores, or stores, shops in general, you know. Up here, so is a prime spot for trees falling. Whoa, 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 this is crazy. Wow, that's crazy, bro. This looked like it was completely impossible. Dog, I've been phone up a video. Yeah man, here so was completely, as I was saying to you guys, here so is a prime spot for like trees falling and them things. So even right now, as a bike man, we should not ride through here, so because the tree them weaken. So even though no breeze now blow, them still at risk of falling and breaking. Power lines down again. I go as far as Long Lane then, and then turn back, come up Old Road. So this is Stony Hill Square. We're about to see what's going on inside the square. So we have the bar open. Supermarket open, gas station open. I mean, they ain't carrying no money for me. Boy, I'm mad at that boy. Jesus Christ, she look good. So now we are heading toward Long Lane or Constant Spring. This road, there's a section of the road down there that is always covered by tree. I am almost certain that down there was impossible, but let's see. I'm almost certain that down there was impossible, or down there was at least blocked on one side or something, because down there so a big tree come over the road. Right here. Whew. Well, it don't look so bad. Oh shit, my boy closed my bars. I look tree bad. You have to be very careful in this condition when you're moving on two wheels. Leaves are very slippery. There's no traction on leaves, so you have to be very diligent with the gas. You see me? And thing. Right here, so usually black. It don't look so bad. Don't look so bad. Trees come down over here, so. Right now as a bike man, I can't make money, you know. Yeah, man. Anybody when me see I walk, especially those who have to go to work, say, yo, give me a 5 bills and me carry go to work, you see me? Nah, I eat no food, I just buy back gas. Why, for the man them have their woman at them time, yeah, when they're supposed to nice. Yeah, man, just wrap up with the woman in the bed. Oh gosh, man, and you know what else comes after. Yeah, man. People like me and the other one have to wrap up with myself. Yeah. So this is Long Lane, basically. That way Water Commission is right over here. Down here is why you would consider maybe the city. So usually there isn't anything much in the city in terms of trees and all of them things there. Fencing blow down over there, so. So I go to Manor Park and then just take the roundabout and come back up. Down here is supposed to have a lot of debris in the road, or maybe they clear it because they always have sand and them things they wash down. Yeah, well, it's not so bad. It's not so bad. Stoplights are not working, so gotta be mindful up there, man. For bikers who have to ride in after these weather conditions, thing to note: when you're going around a bend or something, do not hold your brake. Yeah, slow down before you reach the bend. Yeah, so this is the city. Not much now go on. Places are open. Well, I don't have to look normal, like nothing no go on. So we are going to take the next side, so I catch you back when I go back up on the next side. Alright, so I'll be taking the old Stony Hill Road direction back to Stony Hill side. I'll just make a quick stop right here, so, and just upload something on Instagram. Alright, so we're going back to Stony Hill Square side. This road, this road is called Old Stony Hill Road. And we can take here to go to where I'm from, basically, Stony Hill. We can take here to go Manning's Hill, and every XXL and everything around that side. So we are going to see what it's like around here. I don't expect much damages around here, you know. Just the typical leaves and them stuff there, but I don't expect to see any falling trees or anything like that around this side. This side is pretty sheltered, you know, because the hill, it's pretty sheltered, man. This one bike man behind me a while ago, it looked like in turn off. Turn off, man. If you overlook, that is whatever that is over this one. Need to get ahead of this traffic here. Oh wow, this tree is about to fall. Are the gate hold it up, you know? Yeah, the gate hold that up, brother. not gonna go around there because remember debris on the road and all of them something that we not risk ourselves or anything like that. We don't know what's going on. So I like a blockade there, right? As a and people are out clearing, helping to clear 1122, you know. That's the best way to get things done, bro. Them cutlass still there. Them cutlass still there. Oh shit, my cutlass almost went flying, bruv. It's there, it's alright. It's alright, I just tell me that. Yo, you see man, them own power saw. I'm supposed to eat a food, you know. Yeah man. Power saw for rent. Or for hire, should I say. Dirt, don't hold no brake over that shit, man. Alright, so we're going back down to Stony to Kawasexy. Going back down to Golden Spring. So I'm going to pretty much end the footage when we reach down because I basically recorded coming up. There doesn't seem to be much damages around this side. You know what damage is? Blockage. You're the bike a squeeze. Yeah, around here so seems to be alright. Oh wow, trees over the road. Oh wow, I have to get the blunt tight. Whoa, mash down that gator. Breadfruit tree down. Where all of this water come from? Alright guys, so we forward back out, we start basically if we go down to Golden Spring Road right now. So we're gonna end the video now and we're gonna start a new video for when I go up my side or up the next direction, which is further up in our country, up in our hills. You see it? So forward and off. You see me? We are going to see how round has to look, how far round has to black up. Just a come round has to just video. You see me? Because round has to black up. Want to see how far, because I know it's around to black up and thing. That one there come from. See how far around us to black up. I'm not clear, they ain't clear around there already. Alright. So you have this here. Around here so come like a bamboo walk, you know. Yeah man, be a bamboo there around here so. Ajay. Be a bamboo. Around here look nice, eh? Wait, we're not done tour yet. Eh? We're not done tour yet. Did.
Done tour last tour.
Round this is still black. Oh, come here, so I want to come through. Okay. Okay, alright. Hi, mommy.
Are you hearing a mouse every day? Tell him to stop.
Whoa, I'm not there with none of your pitney them, so hold that. No, you better say she. Me I gotta do something for him, man.
Make sure you big up one pan.
Make sure you send bit of money because they watch everything.
Yeah, so big up yourself, no, brother. See Carol. You see you.
So cool, you want to carry banana.
Cool, can't wheelie.
He's too put it down, man.
Hey. He not take on that. He not take on that, brother. No, I'm just carry this in case me need for chop, smaddy. I know road me come for chop. Eh? Or me sell my bike? Cause me kinda just break off a bike.
2 by 1.
Yeah, so me have to go buy back one. But me not buy it now.
2 by 1.
Soon. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man, look over. How would this lock off for me? Very active, man. Hey, me say any day your whole front braking at this, you slide where you freak down to there. Oh, so run here, so move, then clear run here, so now. Okay. Clear run here, so now. How? Yeah, so we reach Landslide Square now. How is the black nod?
Chuki got the sauce, bitch.